Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your planners and elevate your niche business? With a book creator's powerful prompt capabilities, you can create planners that truly connect with your audience, whether it's for motivation, reflection, or planning their best year yet. In this video, I'll walk you through all the different things you can do with prompts in our planner tool and why this feature is a game changer for your niche planners. Let's start with yearly prompts. These can appear either above or below the calendar, depending on your design preferences. You can set the alignment left, center, or right, and customize the font size and color to match your planner's theme. For example, you might add a motivational quote to inspire reflection at the start of the year, or a verse of the year for a Christian planner. Now let's talk about monthly prompts. You have two types to choose from: one prompt for each month or prompts for each day of the month. These work with both one-page and two-page monthly layouts. Like yearly prompts, you can align them to the left, center, or right and customize all aspects of the text. If you're using a two-page layout, you can even decide which page the prompt appears on. And you can use both types of monthly page prompts together. Some ideas for monthly prompts include a focus word of the month for mindfulness planners, daily Bible verses for a Read the Bible in a Year planner, or wellness theme quotes for a health and wellness planner. For weekly pages, prompts can also be placed above or below the calendar, and you can choose the alignment that fits your style. This feature works with all three weekly layouts: one page, two-page horizontal, and two-page vertical. Weekly prompt ideas include a gratitude theme quote for gratitude planners or a weekly fitness goal for fitness planners. Finally, daily prompts. Just like with yearly, monthly, and weekly pages, these can go above or below the calendar, and you can customize the font, size, and color. Set the alignment to fit your design, whether it's left, center, or right. Daily prompts are perfect for adding features like word of the day, today's Bible verse, or motivational quote. Tailoring these to your niche helps your planner stand out. Prompts are more than just text on a page. They create an interactive, meaningful experience for your audience. By customizing prompts for your niche planners, you're not just selling a product. You're offering a tool that inspires and engages. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your planners, head to a book creator and start adding custom prompts today. Your audience and your business will thank you. Check the description for links to demos inside the book creator planner tool of each one of these different prompt types. If you have any questions about adding prompts in planner PDFs, ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.